Hello and welcome back guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how I decorated this nature themed cake. This video is the last video of 3-part video series. The first one was how to make edible cherry blossom flowers out of wafer paper. Second one, how to sculpt the birds out of modeling paste. If you have not watched it or you missed the videos, I have put the links in the description box below. Do check that out. Alright, let's get on with today's video and see how I bring together this work of art. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make edible moss to decorate your cakes. It's a very easy recipe. You can do this in your microwave. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook. All your ingredients need to be at room temperature, and the quantities and the ingredient list I have given in the description box below. I'm making a big batch. You can divide the quantities I've given into 4 and take 1/4 of all those ingredients to make a small batch. So what you have to do is take your eggs and beat it, sprinkle in your sugar, and you need to beat this mixture till it doubles up in volume and become pale. And then you're gonna add in your honey, again beat it for a couple of seconds. You're gonna add in your flour. To the flour you're gonna add in bicarb soda and give it a good mix, and then add that to the eggs mixture, and you're gonna add it in couple of batches. Do not dump the whole thing in one go. So once my flour is well incorporated, I'm gonna color my batter in different shades of green color to get the mossy effect. And when it comes to microwavable containers, I'm using silicone molds and microwavable glassware and plastics, and also you can cook that in paper cups as well. Do not use the plastic water cups. They are not suitable for microwaving. Fill your containers only 3/4 way. Do not fill it to the top, because as it cooks in the microwave, it's gonna rise up to the top. The ideal time for cooking your batter is 3 minutes, but it all depends on your power of your microwave and the container and the amount of batter that you have put in. So after 2 minutes, do keep an eye. It's gonna burn quickly, so do not go more than 3 minutes. Once you take it out of the oven, flip it upside down and let it chill for a couple of seconds, and then you're gonna cling wrap it, and you can keep it outside or put it back in the fridge till you use it. Do not leave it open. It's gonna dry up faster. Now this sponge recipe doesn't have to be moss only. You can use it to get the sky effect, color it in blue color, or you can use it to get grassland, color it in brown color. There's many other ways that you can use this sponge recipe in your cake decorations. Another quick and easy way to make moss is using desiccated coconut. It's very easy. You can mix your color into clear alcohol, add that into your desiccated coconut, give it a good shake till all the pieces are coated in your color. You can, if you don't have alcohol, you can use water. It's gonna take long time to evaporate and dry out. Alright, my cake is ready. I had covered that with buttercream to get ombre effect. I'm not gonna show it here. It'll be a very long video. Anyway, my reference picture is ready and this is my cake pop mixture. This is leftover cake mixed with buttercream and ganache. I'm using this to make my mossy flow as per my reference picture. Done adding my cake pop mixture to the base of the cake. I'm covering that with buttercream and sticking pieces of sponges to the floor bed to get the mossy effect. I have different shades of green. I'm not sticking to just one color. Now after attaching all the pieces, I realized I didn't quite like the color that I had going on. I wanted a darker shades of green. So what I did was I mixed leaf green color with clear alcohol and colored that whole area. Now as you can see, there is a big difference and a nice shades of dark green colors. Now this tool here is used for sculpting. It's called, I think, scriber. It's just couple of needle pins stuck together. My mossy floor ground, I find it very flat, so I'm just scraping on top to give it more depth. Here I've got some edible flowers that I'm arranging onto the base of the cake, and after that I'm gonna attach the flower branch. I have marked my where I'm gonna attach it, and I'm gonna hold it against the cake and see the positioning and how far the barbecue stick is gonna be. If it's too long, I'm gonna trim it off. After that, I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol so that there is no germs transferring to the cake. Here I wanted to get the morning dew effect on the flower petals and on the mossy floor bed. I tried couple of different ways. One way was to melt isomalt and make droplets like this. Since it's sticky, I can very easily stick it onto the flower petals. It's gonna hold its shape for 2 days and the shine, but after 2 days, since it's exposed to air, it's gonna form a cloudy crust and it won't be shiny anymore. The other way is to use confectioner's glaze. This is confectioner's glaze I'm using here. If you can't get hold of that, you can use piping gel instead of that. Both of these mediums are, in my opinion, better than isomalt. It's easy and quick and it holds its shape and the shine is perfect. I did a dripping droplets effect on some of the petals and it held its shape perfectly even after a couple of days. And also the petals and the cake are not gonna go soggy and absorb the liquid. Okay, here I'm adding final details to the cake. I've got some damaged flower petals and leaves. I'm just randomly adding them onto the base of the cake to get the effect of dried petals and leaves fallen off the branch. Alright, with this video we have come to the end of all 3-part video series of putting together and decorating this nature themed cake. I hope you enjoyed all 3 videos and learn a few things along the way. I will see you guys soon with another one. Until then, take care you guys.